Welcome back, traders. This is part 2 of our Forex Strategy series, and today I will show you one of the most important concepts in trading: how to combine trendline direction, flat zones, and moving averages to find perfect entries with high accuracy. If you understand this lesson, your trading will become easier, clearer, and more consistent. Let's get started. Trend lines are the first confirmation before you place any buy or sell trade. Strong uptrend. The trend line or AWA line must be pointing upward. Candles stay mostly above your trend line. Moving averages slope upward. MA10, MA50, MA100, MA200. When this happens, your job is simple. Only look for buy opportunities. Strong downtrend. Trend line points down. Candles stay mostly below it. MA10, MA50, MA100, MA200 slope downward. Here your job is, only look for sell opportunities. Never trade against your trendline direction, and it destroys accounts. A flat zone happens when the market stops trending and begins to move sideways. This is where 90% of traders become confused. But in your strategy, the flat zone is your golden moment. In an uptrend, when price goes sideways without breaking below MA50 or MA100, this is your buy re-entry zone. In a downtrend, when price goes flat but stays under MA50 or MA100, this is your sell re-entry zone. Section 3, the breakout, your entry signal. Your rule is simple: buy setup, uptrend. 1. Trend line is pointing up. 2. Price pulls back into MA50 or MA100. 3. Price forms a flat zone. 4. Price breaks above the flat zone. 5. Income buy arrow appears. You buy with confidence. Sell setup. Downtrend. 1. Trend line pointing down. 2. Price pulls back into MA50 or MA100. 3. Flat zone forms. 4. Price breaks below the flat zone. 5. Income sell arrow appears. You sell with confidence. Section 4. Deep pullbacks, MA200 rule. Sometimes the market pulls back deeper than usual. In an uptrend, if price pulls back and dips below blue MA200, don't panic. Wait for price to come back above MA200 and give you the income buy arrow. This is still a strong buy setup. In a downtrend, if price crosses above MA200, don't rush to buy. Wait for price to fall back below MA200 and show the income sell arrow. This is your safe sell setup. Section 5. Real market example. Imagine USDJPY is trending down. Trend line pointing down. Pullback touches MA50. Market goes sideways. Flat zone. Then price breaks down. Sell arrow appears. At that moment, you enter your sell with full confidence. This setup repeats every week on almost every Forex pair. To trade this strategy successfully, follow the trendline direction, allow price to correct into the moving averages, identify the flat zone, enter only when the breakout happens, use the income arrow as final confirmation. Never chase price, always wait for structure. This is how professional traders trade. If you enjoyed part 2 of this strategy series, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this lesson with other traders, and don't forget to join the channel membership for exclusive private lessons and live trading sessions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 3.